Okay, let's say that you or your customers or your website visitors want to share your website with somebody from a laptop or desktop computer. Really cool feature here called the Super Share button. And you can see that no matter where you're at on your website page, this is one of my customers I recently built a pretty killer one-page website for. No matter where you're at on the page, you can see that if you click share, it's going to open up a share menu in the computer. And this works very similar on PCs and on Macs. And it's going to show the different platforms that they could possibly share on. Now, I'm not going to go through all of these. I'm just going to do Facebook and Gmail because those are the most likely to. But you can see you can share to WhatsApp. But what it's going to do is, for example, if you go to share on one of the social medias or through WhatsApp, it's going to do something really neat. It's actually going to create the post for you. So all you have to do is say, hey, check out these guys, whatever, and click share, and it'll just literally post it right. It creates the post. You just say something about it. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to cancel, but it'll post it right to your wall. Let's say that you or your customers just want to share your website real quick by email. Let's say you click Gmail. Works very similar with Outlook, but let's say, pardon me, you click Gmail, it's going to load up your Gmail. It's going to actually open up an email, and all you have to do is decide who to send it to, put the subject, check out this boat.company, whatever it is. You get it. Again, I'm going to discard this because I'm just doing a demonstration, but it really is just as easy as that. You can just literally just share it using the Super Share button.